So we have the EMT and Sports Medicine classes coming together, and today we're going to be dissecting sheep hearts. This gives kids the opportunity to be able to put their hands on the heart. Each of the kids have already done their anatomy chapters, so they've learned about blood flow within the heart and everything like that. And you're going to see that today. You're going to see these kids are able to trace the blood flow through the heart, and they're able to understand. And now we're putting that knowledge that they had in a kinesthetic-based environment for them to be able to see exactly what's going to happen.
Honestly, surprisingly, it is very easy to cut into. I would say it is a bit stiffer than chicken breast, so kind of easier to cut. It is not as slimy as I thought it would be. It's firm. It's very firm.
So when they're in the field, they're going to be seeing multiple things. They're going to see trauma patients. They're going to see really patients on the worst day of their life. What is it going to be like if something happens? I'm seeing bones or different things that potentially could be considered gruesome.
I love Mr. Lawhorn's teaching style. He's very, he wants us to be hands-on always, especially in our classroom with skills.
I mean, what kids can actually say, oh, well, I've touched a sheep heart, or I've dissected a sheep heart. Well, now we're bringing that here to the ACE at Hermitage, and we're looking forward to more dissection projects. We're looking for more educational opportunities. Then instead of just standing in front of kids saying, hey, this is the slide 1, this is slide 2. So we're preparing them for real life education and real life opportunities of what's going to happen in the field.